In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can sign into a PlayStation Network on an existing account here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is also going to help you if you want to add a completely new PlayStation account. But let's start by signing into an existing account. I'm going to sign into mine right here. Once you're signed into your account though, what you're going to want to do is stay on the home screen. And you might notice that some features say that you're not signed in. For example, if you go over to media, it might say that you're not signed in for whatever reason. To fix this, you need to go ahead and select sign in, and then you'll have the option to scan a QR code with your phone, which is usually the fastest way, or you could sign in manually. If you do choose to sign in manually, select the email field, press X, and then enter the email address associated with your PlayStation Network account. I've already done this on mine, so you need to make sure that you do this on yours. But essentially, move to the password field, enter in your passwords, hit sign in, and if you do have two-step verification turned on, you might have to enter in that two-step verification code. But what you're going to want to do after that is actually press the PlayStation button again, scroll down to the very bottom and select your profile icon just like so. From here, hit switch user, and then go ahead and hit add user just like so. After that, you'll once again have the option to sign in manually or scan a QR code. Go ahead and do either of these. And as soon as you do that, you'll have that new user added to your device. It really is as simple as that. You could switch between accounts in this exact same section as well, but I'm just going to stay logged into my main account because I am good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.